Oh my God, did you guys have a good time tonight? We're so glad you came out to Fair St. Louis 2014. Let's give a big shout out to Budweiser for making this happen. You guys love St. Louis? You guys love this park? We need you to help us, and we need you to show your love for this park because we want to drink some fine beers ourselves this evening. Will you pick up just a little something if you're standing right now?